Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use the price action concepts indicator by LuxAlgo. And if you want to do this, we go right here to luxalgo.com, log in, and then afterwards we click here on library. Then right here we go to search indicators and we fill in right here price action concepts, and then we click on enter. And then right now if you scroll down, you see here some options that we can choose. But we need to choose right here the pure price action ICT tools, and there we click on see details. Then you will get right here a nice explanation about what the indicator tool does. And if you want to use it, we can use it only on TradingView because NinjaTrader, MetaTrader 4 and 5 and Thinkorswim are disabled right here and coming soon. So right now we click right here on get access, and then you will find here a nice instruction. I already know how to do this, so I click right here on get access, scroll a little bit down, and then we click here on use on chart. And then right here, you see now that we are having the, let's look, I need to delete this one. And now we are having here the pure price action concepts right here on our chart. So this is how you can add the indicator of pure price action right here. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.